Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about Robinhood. Can I open multiple accounts with Robinhood? The short answer is yes, you can have multiple accounts with Robinhood, but there are specific rules about the types of accounts you can open. You can only have one individual self-directed brokerage account. This is your primary personal investment account. However, you can open other types of accounts in addition to your individual investing account. These include joint accounts. You can open a joint brokerage account with another person, such as a spouse or partner. This is separate from your individual account. Retirement accounts, IRAs. You can open a traditional IRA and a Roth IRA with Robinhood, which are also separate from your individual investing account. You can generally have one of each type of IRA. Managed accounts, Robinhood Strategies. If eligible, you can open a managed account where Robinhood Strategies handles the investing for you. You can typically have one managed account for each supported type, such as an individual managed account and managed IRAs. So, while you are limited to one standard individual self-directed brokerage account, you can certainly diversify your holdings and investment goals by opening various other account types with Robinhood, like a joint account or different retirement accounts. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.